A very good morning, children. Welcome to session 3 of chapter 6. Now, children, today in this session, we will solve all the remaining activities of our chapter. Okay, children? So, let's begin. Now, children, here comes activity 6. Write 5 words with each suffix given below and make sentences. Children, suffix means group of letters added at the end of the given word. Now, for example, courage plus OUS becomes courageous. Here, courage is the base word and OUS is suffix, which both added together gives a new word, courageous. Okay, children? So, now let's see the opposite of suffix is prefix. Children, prefix means letter or group of letters added before the given word. Like for example, if we add multi with the word purpose, then it becomes multi-purpose. Here, multi is prefix and purpose is the base word. Okay, children? Now, let's see the solution of the activity. Now, children, I took 2 words from each suffix and made sentences on it. Now, for the remaining words, you do as homework. Okay, children? I will check it when the school gets open. Okay, children? Now, children, before coming to our activity 7, let's see some important points which help us in solving our activity. Okay, children? So, let's see. In this activity, we have to change passive voice into active voice. Children, let's see what is active voice and what is passive voice. Active voice. When the subject of a verb performs the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. Now children, in case of passive voice, when subject of a verb receive the action, then the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Okay children? Now let's see examples. The hunter killed the tiger. Second one, the tiger was killed by the hunter. In both the sentences, the meaning is same. But in sentence 1, the subject hunter is doing something. And in sentence 2, the subject tiger is receiving the action. So, in the first sentence, hunter is the doer of the action. That is, the subject is active and the verb killed is said to be in the active voice. Similarly, in the second sentence, the subject tiger is the receiver of the action. That is, the subject is not active but passive. The verb was killed is said to be in passive voice. Okay children? Children, here we can see the verb was killed, which is in past tense. Children, in be form of the verb, when we use is, am, are in a sentence, then it indicates present tense. When we use was, were in a sentence, then it indicates past tense. And when we use will be, shall be in a sentence, then it indicates future tense. Okay children? Now let's see rules for changing a sentence into active voice and passive voice. Now children, in simple present tense, rule is in active voice, subject plus root form of the verb with s or es plus object. In case of passive voice, subject plus is, am, are plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus object. Now let's see an example. The grocer sells sugar. This sentence is in active voice. Now in passive voice, it will be sugar is sold by the grocer. Okay children? Now children, let's see another example. Tanu plays tennis. This sentence is in active voice. Now, when we convert it into passive voice, the sentence will be tennis is played by Tanu. Now children, see here. While forming the passive voice, we change the places of the subject and the object. Means subject becomes the object and object becomes the subject. Like here, tennis is the object of active voice has become the subject of passive voice. Okay children? Then children, we add appropriate form of the verb be and use the past participle form of the verb and add by before object of passive voice. Okay children? Now children, let's see the forms of verb. There are three forms of base or root verb. Okay children? They are present form, past form and past participle form. Okay children? Children, here some examples are given in tabular form. Just have a look of it. Now children, in simple past tense, rule is in active voice, subject plus past tense of the verb plus object. In passive voice, rule is subject plus was or were plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus object. Now for example, the boy caught the thief. This sentence is in active voice. In passive voice, it will be the thief was caught by the boy. Okay children? Now let's see in simple future tense. The rule is in active voice, subject plus will or shall plus root form of the verb plus object. Okay children? Now rule in passive voice is subject plus will be or shall be plus past participle form of the verb plus by and plus object. Okay children? Now children, in active voice, example will be the chief minister will preside the meeting. And in passive voice, we will write the meeting will be presided by the chief minister. Okay children? Now children, in case when subject is not given, then we can place I, we, they, etc. according to the verb and sentence. Like in our activity, one sentence is there. the best color picture will be displayed on the softboard. So, in this sentence, there is no subject when we change it into active voice. So, as we know that from our chapter that the teacher will display the best colored picture on the softboard. So, we will write the teacher. Okay, children? Then the sentence will be, the teacher will display the best color picture on the softboard. Okay, children? Now, let's see the solution of the activity. Activity 7. Rewrite the following sentences in active form. Children, one example is given for you. Let's read. The national flag should be preserved carefully. Now, children, this sentence is in passive form. Now, the active form of this sentence will be, we should preserve the national flag carefully. Now, children, let's see solution of activity 7. Now, children, let's see activity 8. Sujal wants to make a sandwich. Here are the instructions. Read them. Take a slice of bread. Spread butter on the slice of bread or grease it with olive oil. Make mint or coriander paste. Grind a bunch of mint or coriander leaves, a little ginger, green chillies, salt, and a little lemon juice or tamarind juice. Spread the chutney on the bread slice. Mix together the mashed potatoes, chopped red onions, chilies, chopped tomatoes, and cucumber. Spread this mixture on the bread slice. Cover it with another chutney laden slice. Grilled it or toast. Serve it with ketchup. Now, children, let us make a national food. You may discuss with your classmates. Now imagine you are making your recipe of a national food. Share your recipe as national food with your classmate. Children, there are different recipes or methods to cook khichdi. I wrote one method in solution. If you wish, you can write this one, or else you can write another method also. Okay, children? Now, children, let's see solution of activity 8. Here comes activity 9. Here is a slogan. Read it. Now create some more slogans and write them beautifully. Now children, let's see solution of activity 9. Now children, here comes activity 10. Sujal and Alpa want to send an email about flag hoisting in their school. Draft the message for them. The message should not be more than 80 to 100 words. So children, let's see the solution of activity 10. Now children, here we come to an end of chapter 6. Go through the chapter, read it, do the given activities, solve worksheet, and if you find any difficulty or if you have any doubt, then write it to me. Okay children? Now we will meet in the next session with a new chapter. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.